Synology DiskStation DS923 Plus Review. The DS923 Plus, which uses the same black enclosure as the DS920 Plus evaluated here in 2020, is 6.5 inches by 7.8 inches by 8.7 inches and weighs 4.9 pounds. On the front of the enclosure are 4 hot swap drive bays. They can be locked for added safety. Located to the right are LED lights showing system performance and drive action, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A port, and a power key. At the back, you'll find two 1 gigabit per second LAN ports, one Type-A USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, an eSATA port for linking external storage devices, two 92mm cooling fans, a reset button, and a network upgrade slot. This NAS likes the multi-gig Ethernet ports that the QNAP DS464 has. However, you can use its network upgrade slot to set up an optional 10 gigabits per second RJ45 network upgrade module. Additionally, the LAN ports support link aggregation for both backup in case of failures and balance load distribution. At the bottom of its shell are two M.2 solid-state drive slots which can be utilized to install one or two SSDs so speed caching can be facilitated. The DS923 Plus is equipped with a dual-core AMD Ryzen R1600 CPU and expandable 4GB of DDR4 RAM. Supporting both 2.5 and 3.5-inch hard drives with 72 TB total internal storage capacity when utilizing 4 18 TB drives. The NAS necessitates supplying your own drives. If you desire, an extra 80 TB of storage may be added through the 580x517 expansion unit. Besides X4, Synology Hybrid RAID, Basic, JBOD, RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 5, RAID 6 as well as RAID 10 setups can also be enabled by this NAS which supports the BTRFS file system. Similar to other Synology NAS gadgets, the DS923 Plus is managed by using their Windows-based DSM operating system, making setup rapid and convenient with desktop icons. On starting up, the DSM desktop comprises several icons like Control Panel, File Station, Package Center, and DSM Help. As you download applications, additional icons will be included on the desktop. On the right side of the screen are windows that display system information such as total uptime, CPU and RAM usage, and NAS IP address. A main menu icon at the top left corner provides access to pre-installed utilities such as Storage Manager, Active Insight, Log Center, and Security Advisor. Storage. By tapping the Package Center icon, users can gain access to an assortment of 101 Synology and third-party apps that let NAS devices be used as cloud servers, multimedia servers, backup servers, IP camera monitoring hubs, and more. To customize network and security settings, create user groups, and determine user permissions strongly, the control panel icon should be accessed. Through the File Station icon, a page will appear where you can generate and classify folders and files while also enabling web browser access to files. Then ultimately, by clicking on the DSM Help icon, tutorials along with explanatory articles are available for viewing. Utilizing the Synology mobile app or web console, installing the DS923 Plus is quite simple. Opted for the latter choice. After putting 4 10 TB Seagate Iron Wolf drives in, connecting them to my router, and powering it up. Used a desktop PC connected to that exact same router in order to download and start the Synology Assistant utility which immediately detected the device. Subsequently, clicked Install, downloaded DSM's latest version of their operating system, and waited several minutes before the NAS would reboot. Named the device, and establish an administrator account and password. Upon opening the DSM desktop, built a storage pool and volume, deciding on SHR as the RAID option and BTRFS as the file system. This resulted in an overall total of 27.3 TB of accessible storage capacity, which necessitated a duration of about 12 hours for software optimization before it was set to be tested. The Synology DiskStation DS923 Plus is a 4-bay NAS device with excellent performance capabilities and expandable storage capacity. Its user-friendly DSM operating system, developed by Synology, creates a favorable experience for the user. When backing up or sharing photographs, music files, office documents, and more. It is quite simple to install and manage effectively. Despite that, the QNAP DS464 is still our favorite pick for multi-bay NAS devices. It's just slightly faster than the rest and offers a wide range.